The Filipino adverb minsan means sometimes in English. Minsan. Minsan. Let us have the following example sentences using the word minsan. Minsan akong nanonood ng sine kapag may bago. It means I sometimes watch movies when there is a new one. Minsan, sometimes ako is I. Nood means to like watch. Sine is a movie kapag is if or there is may. And then bago is new. Minsan akong nanonood ng sine kapag may bago. Minsan kaming lumabas para mag-dinner. We sometimes go out for dinner. Minsan is sometimes kami is as. Labas means to like go out. Para is to and then mag-dinner is to eat for dinner. Minsan kaming lumalabas para mag-dinner. Minsan kaming lumabas para mag-dinner. Minsan nagkakamali rin ako sa pagtimbang. I sometimes make mistakes in weighing too. Minsan sometimes mali means wrong. Rin is also ako is I. Pagtimbang is like weighing. Minsan nagkakamali rin ako sa pagtimbang. Minsan nagdadala siya ng pagkain sa opisina. He or she sometimes brings food to the office. Sometimes minsan dala means bring. Siya is he or she. Pagkain is food and then opisina is office. Minsan nagdadala siya ng pagkain sa opisina. Once again, the Filipino adverb or pang-abay minsan means sometimes in English. Minsan. Minsan.